So we'll do a garage update. Busy garage day here. Fire rated door. The garage light, I need to remove that smoke alarm basket bag there. But garage light is working, so that's a permanently turned on plug. And as you can see, we have some lights now. These are Harbor Freight $23 lights over here. Oh, they are right there actually. Yeah, these guys here. I bought 8 of them. I'm actually gonna go with 10. I'm gonna get 10 of these. So I'll have 2 rows. So you have this row here and they're spaced 3 feet apart. And these plugs here are actually on all 3. There's one behind the plumbing too. Are all on a switch. So there we go. Now I have, so the plan is they're spaced 3 feet from the wall. I'll do another one over there spaced 3 feet from the wall. And yes, I did test the garage door does open. I had to actually mount this a lot higher and adjust the, you'll see right there. I had to adjust those pins. It'd be a little bit awkward because it has to sit higher than these. It's like a ½ an inch too low for the garage door to clear it. But I want light over there for working on the car because the quick jack will be mounted somewhere, maybe this wall. I'm not sure yet. We haven't gotten that far yet. But that light is closer. I'll do another, I'll measure 3 feet from the wall now and I'll put another row, at least as far as I can go with all this stuff in the way. And that'll be 8 lights on the front bit. And then I'll put another light. They're gonna box in all this utility stuff. It's gonna get boxed in. So once that boxed in is done and they've painted, I will put the 2 remaining lights, and this is also switched right there. It's on the same switch. So I'll put the 2 remaining lights back here, 4 feet and 4 feet. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get, so Harbor Freight has a different setup. These are single strips. Harbor Freight has a 10,000 or 11,000 lumen kit that's also 4 feet long, but it has 4 of those tubes. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 1 4-footer there and 1 4-footer there. And so I'll have a center row, which is where all the motorcycle work's gonna happen right here. And so that'll be 10 of these and then 2 of the 10,000 ones. That'll be 20, see, 5 times 10, so that's like 40, so 65,000 lumens for a 450 square foot garage. But you see how dark it is over here. So that'll be much better. So I'm waiting for that to happen. Hopefully this week they'll do this. We'll see. And then I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order another 19-inch Icon tool cabinet right there. There's gonna be, this is getting replaced. That's a Wi-Fi 5 access point from UniFi. It's a UniFi AC Pro Wi-Fi 5 from 2016. I'm gonna replace it with a UniFi XG Wi-Fi 7 here because our bedroom is above this. It's actually our bathroom is above this and our bedroom is right there. And so that'll cover our room and Matilda's room and this space with the Wi-Fi 7 coverage. Justin's coming over in a few minutes. We're going to put this on top of that so that they can then box around it. This is, my Ecobee smart thermostat is going to hook up to this guy, and I'll probably just stick it against this, frankly, because it's smart. It's Wi-Fi. Hi, Porter. And then what else are we doing today? Oh, fridge gets moved. The Huskies get moved. And I think I'm going to reserve this wall for a slat wall. Like have this be pro slat. We'll see. I haven't ordered that just yet. I cannot wait for them to finish my landscaping this week because that keeps happening. And I also, just yesterday, my light came in for the Icon. So you can see here, that's all done now. So that lights up, which is nice. For Heather and I are taking a trip for my 40th birthday, so I got her a carpet ride and a new Moscow tank bag. It's somewhere around here, as well as some new tires. Find that. And after that, I'm gonna get these light bulbs. There we go. Got her a new Hood 5. Thanks Wade at Moscow for a recommendation of that. And then the Anarchy Adventure 2s are for Heather too. I'm gonna let Porter out, and then I'll get some more lights set up. That's better. Well, okay, it doesn't look any better, but we have, these are out of the way. These are gonna get moved somewhere else eventually. but we can finally access our sub panel. Whole bunch of stuff in here. I can now access the area where I would put lights up. Well, mostly access it. And then there's some stuff here we're gonna move out to the shed for storage, not for storage, but like functional storage. Like, I think these are going out into the shed actually to store stuff, equipment. I think the slat wall will go there. That's what I'm thinking is gonna happen. Get stuff off the floor. And then we have, tires are not gonna live there forever. They're gonna go into the shed. I'm actually gonna stop buying GS tires for a while and just burn through the tires that I have, honestly. Like I've got, these came on the GS, these Dunlops. So I've got basically brand new Dunlop 95.5 tires. They're basically street tires. And then I've got the TKC 80 front, some Moto Z tires, and then one TK70, one Anarchy Adventure tire as well. And I have other tires too, don't I? Anyway, as you can see, a lot of progress was made in here. Yeah, I've got, oh, these are Heather's tires. So, but yeah. And then in here, we now have the fridge. The beer fridge is set back up. Hello, beer fridge is set back up. Everything in here is, this needs to get cleaned out. This is all junk that we need to trash. And slowly, we have switched to the Xbox Series X and Apple TV here. What I'm going to do is remove this tray and put a receiver here. But these HDMI cables, these power cables, all go through the wall to the television. So that's really nice. And then audio cables, the white ones all drop down. They'll all drop down to the receiver and get terminated into the receiver eventually. And Monday, like 2 more Wi-Fi access points show up. Another camera shows up. This camera got mounted in the garage. And something else shows up. I can't remember what it is. And all of its glory. I want to finish the other 4 lights tonight that I have in hand. And then once all that back of house area is done, I'll get 4 more lights. There we go. So I'm gonna plug that into there, and then I got just a little cable management. Also important stuff there is happening. But I mean, look here. Look what's happening. We have our camera up. We have this all lit up and working fine. Some wiring is coming in. The light works. Some fluids are all going in there. And I did hook up the ecobee smart thermostat to that. That's all done. Now let's plug this in and cable manage it. It's gonna be bright. A lot of stuff in here still, but we are making progress. That's better. Now, my plan now is once this above me is boxed in, I can put 2 more, 1, 2, and then hook them into this guy right there. I hope that that's their plan. I don't know how they're going to do it actually, but it's going to be some drywall or just a piece of wood. I have no idea. But anyway, they're supposed to box this part in. I might have to lower my camera down, but after that, I'll put 2 more above me. And then just for the bike projects, I'll do 2 more in the middle, not in the middle, like 2 more right here and there. So it'll be, yeah, then it'll be totally done, but it's still pretty dark back here if you look at it this way. This area has no, the back 10 feet has no lights on it. And then hopefully, yeah, all goes off. All right, well, it's not orderly, but I'm just trying to make space. There's stuff that's gonna stay down here and there's stuff that's gonna go in the shed. But tomorrow we're doing a big dump run. So I made space for all that. So all this stuff out here gets trashed in the morning. There's a whole bunch of that, but that corner there is all building materials. Like everything under there is all building materials, except for my auger. Trash, recycling, trash. So this is all gonna be gone tomorrow. And now we're down to just this. I'm hoping we have a shed in the next 2 weeks, because if we do, I can put all the Christmas stuff out there. There is no war on Christmas in this household, I can tell you that much. Ice fishing stuff goes out there, lawn equipment, string trimmer, lawnmower, leaf blower, all that goes out. One or both the Huskies also go out there. I'm about to order some kind of a wall organizer, I think, for this wall. I think I'll put the quick jack here. Those two quick jacks will go here. And then a 4x8 wall organizer here. And a 4x8 wall organizer over there. The Audi will park right here. Then I'll have this walking space right here, which will have 4 bikes. And then I'll have probably here that caddy corner handy Sam 1200 lift right there. I think that's how it's going to go. This is also going to be trash. But yeah, I mean, it's not... And a lot of the stuff here, like some of the stuff is all half full. And so I just need to go through it all. But we'll get there. We will get there.